Well, hello everybody, it's me Stacy from Head to Heels, and I'm here today with a package I got in the mail. It's an order I did from Shein. So I ordered this probably early last week. I want to say Wednesday, and it arrived today, which is Sunday. So that's awesome. That's good timing. I also have oh wait, this isn't Shein. This is the Fashionova, and this one I placed last Thursday, so not Thursday just past, that'd be the 12th, I guess. Thursday the 12th maybe? Yeah, because it was Friday the 13th. Alright, so let's have a look at what came in. I believe this haul cost me, let me double check these numbers, $108. So this is 108 US dollars. That would probably be closer to the 130 Canadian mark. And let's see all the stuffs I got. So this Fashionova, not Shein, but Fashionova. I'm saying that for myself too, because I'm going to say Shein like 800 times, and we all know it. Alright. Ooh. Alright, so I needed some undies, and I don't know, these looked really fun. They got the maybe what I'll do is a quick inventory of everything, and then we'll open them up and check them out. So this is my underwear. They're 5 hipster, they're called underpants, and they're kind of like a brief, I guess. I prefer brief to anything else. I don't know why. I think it's just they fit the best. I'm gonna save the big ones for last, and the ones that I can't see for last. Let's see what else is in here. There we go. Alright, we got some flyers. The Fashionova app. How do you think I made my order, dumbwads? Jeez. Nova Kids, 25% off coupon. And then a bunch of pinky paper work. Alright, so on this one I focused on, I don't know, it was a very random order. I got some socks, I got a couple of dresses, I got some underwear, and I got negligee. Alright. So I went really cutesy Tootsie with the socks. These are pink fishnet with a lacy top. I got these ones, which are black fishnet, kind of like what I have on now actually, with a lacy top, and that's another ankle sock. These ones are sheer with polka dots and kind of a ruffle up top, but not as lacy as the other pair. And these I'm very excited for because I did not realize they were rhinestone, and they are. So these are knee socks with a rainbow top and hollow rhinestones. I am so excited. Alright. So those are the socks and unders. We got our one leopard print item here. I can't remember if this is a shirt or a dress or a skirt, so we'll find out when we open them. I've got this leopard print item, which I can't see at all, and I'm pretty sure this one's a dress. I'm pretty sure. And okay, so this is the white fuzzy negligee. Well, that appears to be everything in here. So that's about $130, $108, depending on where you're at. 108 US, 130 Canadian for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. So that's pretty good. I mean, that's less than $20 an item. I'm not fantastic at math, but so let's open them up, have a look. We'll start with the underoos. I'm very excited. I love me some funky underwear. Let me tell you. Underwear and socks and stockings. If they're a little bit funny and quirky, I'm a very happy lady. Alright. So we got a pair with flowers and strawberries. These are strawberry flowers. Once the flower petals fall off, the center turns into the berry. Isn't that fun? And now you know. I love these colors. Look, little avocados. And peppers. Oh, these are going to be cute. These will be cute. These I'll try on for Patreon, but not for YouTube. Alright. Next up, I'm going to open up these socks. I'm very excited about these socks. I will be trying these on for YouTubers. Might look funny with my leather skirt, but it'll be interesting to see if this goes around here. They're supposed to, I believe, well, maybe they're supposed to go up around here. I might have a chance if they're only supposed to go up to here. But if they're supposed to go above the knee, I doubt it. There's only like that much overhang wrapping around the long way of my hip. Or thigh, not my hip. But these are really fun. They're soft. I don't feel like these are going to fly off. None have flown off yet. I'm stretching and playing and scratching at them, which is kind of neat. Neat. I'm very excited about those. So fun. Alright, next up, the black fishnet Tootsie socks. Little Tootsie socks, little Tootsie socks. Alright. Ooh, is this going to fit my big old foot? Yeah, it should. Looks like it's stretching out. That's exciting. I'm very excited. Or are these hand things, or are they socks? Because I remember I looked at hand ones, but let's see. No, these are socks for sure. Fun. These are actually, they feel really good. I thought they might tap out at a medium stretch, but it looks like they get a full stretch out of them. And it feels like nice fabric. I feel like they're going to wear really well and not be too uncomfortable. The fishnet appears to be a bit tighter than these, so that'll make it more comfortable. Back in my day, my heyday, I used to wear fishnets a lot, and often they were like the bigger hold fishnets, or they were just torn to shreds. And most of the time wore boots, like big knee-high boots, clunky boots, combat boots, you name it. So I would wear socks first and then put my fishnets on over the socks, because otherwise my toes would, like, the circulation would get cut off. I feel like the fishnets were slicing my toes right off, and that's a very uncomfortable situation, and it's not an easy recovery. Look at, you can't just adjust things and be fine once that circulation's cut off. Whew. Anywho, pair number 3 of the Fashionova socks. Again, they're like a see-through with a nice polka dot on it, and they're gonna be so cute. Awesome. Okay. Next is the first leather print item. Bum, bum, bum. I can just see me breaking a nail if I try and open this plastic with them. That would not be cool. Ooh, whatever this is very soft. Oh, it is a little dress. Look how cute that is. A little sundress. I'm very excited. It's a long one. It's a 3/4 length and fit. Bodycon style. With a tiny little slit in the back. And I'm very stoked on this. Oh, it feels so soft. This is going to be like the dress I never take off. The dress I'm always wearing. Dress my husband's like, you're wearing that dress again? And you're like, yeah. Suck it up. Now the second leopard print item. Did I order this dress twice? And if so, oh no, let's get a little bustier built in and some chains for the straps. Oh yeah. I do love me some leopard print, guys. And I'd be lying if I didn't say I am very excited about this dress. And by the looks of it, I'm very pleased that I went with an extra large instead of a large. I usually go for large, but I think I learned from the Shein order that busts and Asian clothes and American busts don't really match up. So go size bigger if you got endowed. You know what I mean? Ooh, that's exciting. And the grand finale. Whoa, 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 whoa. These things are dangerous. I'm going to throw them over here. This is my floofy negligee. I am so stoked on this. Ooh, there's feathers everywhere, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. I don't think I can talk any other way but this with this thing on. Holy shiitake mushrooms. I'm telling you. I love this. I changed my mind. This will be the item I never take off, and my husband will get sick of seeing, and so will you guys. This is now my permanent uniform. You see this girl walking down the street? It's Sassy Stacey, and this is her winter coat. Wow. Wow. Look at all of the feathers. Holy shit snacks, as Pam would say. It's snowing in here. Jeez. Wow. I am totally going to have to vacuum after this. Oh. I did not expect it to shed this much. I believe this was like a $27 item. Alright, so I'm going to get to trying things on.